Thank you for joining me. My name's Courtney Palchik from LSW Lighting, and today I have a presentation on the Leto 11 family from Senso by Lumini. The Leto 11 family of luminaires from Senso incorporates the most requested performance and aesthetic capabilities into a singular harmonized family of fixtures. With Senso's superior fit and finish, European influence, and years of design experience, the Leto 11 is truly a masterpiece of lighting design. It's been remarked as the perfect pendant, and I can assure you that it's no accident. By investing in design, prototyping, testing, and production, Senso's Leto 11 offers the options you need right from the get-go. They really did take their time to develop casting instead of individually machined parts, meaning that they can now produce the Leto 11 more quickly and efficiently, cost-effectively for you. Senso also took their time in the conceptual process to ensure that every dimension and every angle is pleasing to the eye from a distance and up close. You can get these fixtures in classic white, black, and silver, and now Senso has added new premium color options for popular uses, such as charcoal, cerulean, mocha, or firebrick. But if you're looking for a different palette, the Leto 11 can be completely color customized as well, guaranteeing that you will find the perfect shade for your space. And as a bonus, the baffle color can also be selected separately to complement the shade as well. This family offers a minimalistic aesthetic design, but focuses primarily on performance capabilities. You're able to choose from many optic degree options as shown, and several lumen packages, dimming capabilities, and color temperatures ranging from 2700 to 6500. Senso's in-house photometric testing ensures that the Leto 11 lighting design can match your needs precisely. This family is available with many accessories, a glass optic lens, which creates a glowing orb effect with minimal glare, the acrylic ring that attaches to the bottom of the fixture to diffuse the light across a horizontal surface, but it also introduces vertical light by refracting the light and aids in common vertical shadowing. The frosted lens, which eliminates glare by creating a glowing flat surface at the opening of the fixture. And the So-Light lens has a patterned inner side with a smooth surface to minimize glare as well. And the honeycomb mesh is a black grid inserted in the opening of the fixture to direct the light more precisely. Here we have an installation photo of how the Leto 11 pendant can be utilized with the acrylic ring, creating a unique lighting design for your space. The pendant version is available to be suspended by the power feed via the feed suspension. It can be suspended with the twin cabling suspension or single cabling suspension, or it can be suspended via a solid stem, which actually is hollow and hides the cords inside the stem and removes any possibility of the fixture swinging. It's important to note here that the Leto 11 pendant is also available in a much cuter half-size mini version as well, referred to as the Leto 11.5, which you can see in red on the left. And now we have some really cool application photos. And as you can see, this family has a wall-mounted version as well as a surface-mounted version. There are several optic options such as asymmetric lighting, direct, indirect, and a glass dome for the low bay to create the perfect look to match your space. A unique extension of the Leto 11 family is that this fixture is also available as a low bay fixture and is available in a low power and high power option. The low bay low power uses a large, elegant shade to provide diffused light, and it's ideal for medium-sized spaces. And here we have a low bay low power application photo of a medium-sized space. The low bay high power comes with a larger heat sink, which enables the low bay high power to deliver higher lumen output than the low bay low power option, making it a perfect choice for your larger spaces. Now that you've met the family and explored some of the available options you can effectively use to illuminate your space, if you have any further questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me or the sales team here at LSW Lighting. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.